Hey guys, Todd here again with TW Home Show. Today I want to share with you a new item I purchased for a Christmas gift. This Christmas gift was for my wife and myself for this Christmas, since we got brand new laid tile in our whole master suite area, and we already had wood look tile all throughout the first floor of this house. So we wanted something that was better than the traditional way of cleaning hard floors, which was the standard mop and bucket way. But I was like, come on, in this day and age, there's got to be something modern, something unique that can help us clean our floors and take care of them. And today I'm going to show you what I got: the VMAI Wet-Vac mop. Wet-Vac, and it mops for you as you go along. It's smart, and it's a talking smart Wet-Vac. If you like it, stay tuned. I'll tell you all about it.
Everything is upside down. Don't know what's going on.
So guys, this is the VMAI Wet-Vac mop, and it's really smart. It will talk to you all the way through all the steps you need to get done. It kind of talks to you. Like if I just kind of press this button here, it tells you it's in standby mode because it's on the charging docking station right now. I'm going to lift it up here, pull it off. It's kind of dirty. This is the actual docking station, and it's a self-cleaning station area, and it's got one cord going to the back of it that will charge your Wet-Vac mop right when you set that down into the cradle like this.
Charging start.
It tells you everything. What more can you ask for? Now this right here is the dirty water collector right here. This I wouldn't dump into your sinks. I would just dump it into a commode toilet area so nothing gets clogged while you're doing your cleaning. That clips right back into place. This pulls straight out. This is your detergent or cleaning solution, or you can just put water in here. I've just got some cheap mopping detergent here that I'm going to mix with water and fill this up. And we'll take a few passes through this tile and see how much dirt we get. With 3 golden retrievers, you're going to see a whole lot. Let's get this started. All right, we're going to fill up our mop clean water and soap container. And you just remove this lid here. You are not going to believe how well this Wet-Vac works. I was very, very amazed. And the ease of use. Once you're done, it's kind of like just getting your regular vacuum cleaner out. You know how you're just going to do a quick job and then you put it back in the closet? That's how this works. So first I'm going to fill it with some hot water. Hot water helps remove stains. I apologize, the landscaper's out there mowing right now. So we'll fill this up and then put the soap in afterwards. You never want to put the soap in beforehand, because then you're going to get it, all the suds bubbling up, and you're never going to get this thing filled. So we've got this Fabuloso detergent, and I'm going to pour some in here into our hot water. And this should leave a nice fragrance and smell after we get done mopping, because you always like that smell after you're done, because you know that you feel that you've accomplished something, because you can smell it. And this says long-lasting fragrance right there. So let's give it a try. All right guys, we got this filled up with our soap. You can turn it upside down because the valve will not release until the pin punches into it. Once you set it into place, just click it down into place, and we've got it full now. Now we can pull this thing off of the cleaning base. And I want to give you a close-up shot here. What you're looking at, it almost looks like a paint roller in here, but that's a mop brush that will spin, and then it acts like a vacuum suction vacuum. So you're mixing water down here, mopping it, and then it vacuums it back up. Let's give it a shot. All right, before we get started, the advertisement on this VMAI Wet-Vac mop states that it can last for about 30 minutes on a full charge. Here's the battery down here at the bottom, and you can place this and it will plug into your base as I showed you before, or you can press these two buttons down here and release the battery. Pulls out from the bottom. You can charge it from the bottom right there. It's a lithium ion battery. So I imagine this contains about 30 minutes of charge if you have it on Eco mode. There's two modes, Eco mode and Max. If you press the button on the handle here, there's an on-off switch on the handle right there. And then to release some solvent or fluid, cleaning fluid, you press this button underneath the handle right there. So I imagine you could purchase a spare battery. You could keep one fully charged while you're using the other one, and then snap them, exchange them when the one runs out. So we're going to give this a shot. See what we can pick up on these dirty floors with 3 golden retrievers running around. It's in Eco mode right now.
Max mode.
Now it's in Max mode.
Powering off. Power's off.
It's really lightweight and
Please
easy
place
to
on the docking station.
It's really lightweight and easy to use. As you can see, it's actually lighter weight than my regular vacuum cleaner, household vacuum cleaner. And it's doing a terrific job so far. We'll do a little bit more.
Charging. Eco mode.
As you can see, it's giving me a real nice sheen and shine to the tile floor now. And you could put down as much solvent or water or soap as needed, and it vacuums up any remaining residues, leaves it nice and shiny.
Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Why must the curtains come down? Soften us now. In the end, wish to leave something special. Let him talk. As long as my name is on their lips. Call me mysterious. Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down? Soften us now. Why is it hard on my own? Why is it hard on my own? Why am I not like her? A bit more so. Why must the curtains come down?
Now with these floors, these are the wood look tile floors, and they've got a grain within the tile. I noticed that it works better and doesn't foam up with your soap if you go along with the grain. So we'll try to do some of these too.
In the end, I wish to be someone better. Help me with this comparison.
Okay, when your battery gets low, it's going to tell you like this.
Charging. Eco mode. Max mode. Low battery. Please put back on docking station for charging.
And then you can see it will just shut off after the battery runs out. It does tell you, I don't know if you heard it, it says low battery, please put back on the docking station. And so we've got our dirty fluid in there. So let's put it on the docking station and see what it tells us from there. Here's our docking station.
Charging start.
All right, charging started. If you don't want to hear the sound, there's a speaker button right on the front here, and you
Voice off.
You can turn voice off or voice on.
Voice on.
There's a power indicator here. It's going up and down, showing that you are getting a battery charge right now while it's on the docking station. This here is a self-cleaning mode button. You'll press that during the self-cleaning mode. We'll do that just a minute. Now, you can do the self-cleaning mode while it's docked on this docking station. Let's see what happens when we press the self-cleaning mode button right here.
Start self-cleaning. Roller brush self-cleaning.
Look at that.
Pipe self-cleaning. Deep cleaning. Self-cleaning finished. Please clean dirty water tank to avoid get stinky.
To avoid get stinky, clean dirty water tank. I like that. Tells you everything you need to know, guys. So I'm going to clean this dirty water tank. Let's pull it out. Just going to pull it out like this. Press this little button down, tab right there, and then it'll lean out. And there's our dirty paws from 3 golden retrievers right there. Filthy dirty. And the floors, man, they're looking good around here now. And it smells nice and clean. So like I said, I like to dump this in a toilet bowl, not a sink, especially there may be dog fur in there. Then I'll usually go rinse it in the sink to avoid get stinky. Easy as that, guys. This thing is a wonder around our house with all our tile floors now. I can't recommend it enough. So if you guys like it, you can pick this one up, or I'll leave a couple other links because I did research before I actually clicked the button to purchase this one, although I'm very happy with it. And now we'll just reattach our disposable container. Put that in there. It's still powering up. We still got some fluid left in there for next time. And guys, we'll let it recharge. And that's all I got for you from here. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos. And if you like this, like I said, I'll leave the links in the description below, along with some cleaning products that you might want to use with this type of wet-vac mop. And guys, I'll see you on the next video.
Everything is upside down. Don't know what's going on. I see you pass me